Southampton Locksmith. Twin Forks Locksmith, serving Southampton, New York, 11,968. John resides in Southampton, New York, and finds himself locked out of his house. John is unsure of what locksmiths serve the area, quickly and cheap. With a simple search, John finds Twin Forks Locksmith, and with one simple call, a technician is now just minutes away. 1. Quick response. 2. Best prices around. 3. Friendly technicians. John is amazed. Within 20 minutes he is back in his home and can resume his daily activities. Visit our website at twinforkslocksmith.com/Southampton Locksmith.